If you've heard that Toyota has a new two-row hybrid SUV in its lineup, you might be thinking to yourself, well, wait a minute, don't they have one of those with the Venza? Well, the Venza is going away in favor of this. It's the Crown Signia, another two-row, five-seat hybrid SUV that has more of a premium position in the Toyota lineup because its starting price is going to begin right where the Venza's top-of-the-line trim left off. This is our first chance to drive the 2025 Crown Signia, and here are the things that stand out most about this new midsize SUV. This is the first time the Crown name has been used on an SUV, but there are some familiar Toyota styling cues with the Crown Signia. You can see them up front with the whole front end design being pretty similar to what we see on the new Prius and the new Camry. There's going to be two trim levels for the Crown Signia to start, an XLE, or this is the limited model. The limited comes with these pretty large 21-inch wheels and tires. And even though it's positioned as an SUV, like a lot of modern SUVs, it's sleek, it's low slung, kind of has more of a sport wagon look than the traditional SUVs of the past. The Crown Signia is positioned more of a premium offering in Toyota's lineup, and that comes through in a few different ways. The vehicle has standard leather upholstery, but it also has a lot of soft touch surfaces on the doors and on the console too. So pretty nice materials and some neat features too with this console. You can open up from the passenger side or the driver's side. It also has Toyota's latest technology with a 12.3-inch infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Also this vertical wireless phone charger that holds your phone and also keeps it out of the way so it doesn't take up too much space. In terms of interior room in the vehicle, taller drivers are probably going to notice the lower roofline. It's pretty close to my head. I'm a little over 6 feet tall, but there's enough overall space for someone who's taller to sit in front and the back at the same time. All versions of the Crown Signia come with a gas-electric hybrid system. It makes 240 horsepower, and it has a manufacturer estimated fuel economy of 38 miles per gallon combined. That's a little bit less than the EPA number for the Venza. That was at 39 miles per gallon. And overall, it's similar to a lot of Toyota hybrid systems. Decent power, very smooth. And one thing I like about it is that they've really figured out brake pedal feel with their hybrid systems. It's very natural. There's no grabbiness or kind of really soft pedal feel. But as we were talking about on the outside, how this kind of has that wagon look to it, you feel a little bit of that on the inside too, because it drives much more like a car or a wagon, has that kind of lower slung feel. You also notice it here with the really raked windshield, how the pillars come right up here as opposed to being more vertically oriented. You should be able to see the Crown Signia soon at a Toyota dealership near you, and the starting price for the XLE model is $43,590, while this limited starts at $47,990. If you want to learn more about the 2025 Crown Signia, you can read our full write-up at Cars.com/news.